This is a forum by Penn Nork.
We're discussing how we feel about the education system, what we feel should change.
And we're hearing what the youth have to say about their schools, the good and the bad, and how they can have a voice.
Go ahead.
So would they be able to give us more guidance counselors?
Well, that's why we're making this list.
Okay.
And we're going to put all this information together and we're going to share it with people who have the ability to make decisions about what happens in schools and classrooms.
Okay.
Whether they're your children, your neighbors, family members, what are your hopes and dreams for those people?
I believe that we should have more people with more support that could give support to a student, not just besides a guidance counselor.
Not all students learn one way, and you can't just teach out of a book. You know, they have to be able to understand how it relates to real life situations. That gets them more engaged.
Now, when you talk about programs, do you want that during school hours? Is it better after school hours, or
After school.
after school programs, more after school programs?
They're also talking about the community in general, not only the school community of teachers, principals, administrators, but also about what the community can do to make a real impact.
I think that it is important that we're having this discussion. I think that it is important that there are so many people here. I think that it's important that there are so many people in power that are here, so many people that can actually put our ideas into implementation.
The students here now, they are our future and everyone knows that. We are the future.
We should continue to have discussions like these in order for us to really find change.